Welcome back to my channel for another video. So here we go, guys. I'm excited for this week's one. I'm excited. Treble dip in Sambora. Treble dip in Sambora on the European Open. 2.6k before 8:30 in the morning. First of all, a pre-market position on the DAX, and I've actually got a look at a sheet here because I'm getting all confused. There's that much going on. £500 on a short position on the DAX pre-market. Market opens 1.1k on a short position on the FTSE 100. Switch it around, 1.1k FTSE long, 2.6k overall. Unbelievable. Treble dip in Sambora. Hope you enjoy this week's video. There's more footage of the trades this week than me talking, so let's get on with it. But before we do, make sure that you smash that like button, make sure that you subscribe to my channels for more videos like this, and if you want to contact me, you can contact me at my Instagram, and that's sambora.00. I have a website if you want to find out more about what I do and my students in my financial community. Have a look at my website. The link is in my bio on my Instagram page, and if you want to find out more about what we do in my financial community, send me an email. Enjoy this week's video. Okay, so here we go. So it's actually 15 minutes until the European Open. So this is the DAX, otherwise known as Germany 30, on my brokerage account. So the reason I've taken this position is just because, you know, I've literally just, you know, I opened up my brokerage account while I was making breakfast. I've just seen this opportunity. You know, there's been such a rally over the last several hours, you know, and then it's kind of consolidating in almost a straight line there for a considerable amount of time. So just taking this short position, I just can't see it performing these bullish moves. I just can't see it happening, you know, before the market opens. So I'm just going to hold this short position here for a little bit just to see what's going to happen here. I'm also ready to pull the plug in it and take a small loss if I need to, but I just can't see it happening. I just can't see bullish moves coming in here. I really can't. So I'm going to hold this for a little bit and see what happens. I think it could be another one of these opportunities that, you know, you just open up your brokerage account and you identify this, and yeah, I'm definitely going to hold this now, and definitely going to hold this. So a few minutes, well, just over 5 minutes to the open now, so I'm hoping to see some bearish movements now. This is what I'm hoping, so I'm going to continue to hold that. Now listen, I don't think it's going to drop like a stone. I just think it's going to pull back either a few minutes before the open or on the open itself. Hopefully before the open, and then I'll just get out. But I'm definitely happy to hold this for now. I mean, it is making them new lows. Look, still over 5 minutes to the open, so yeah, that's what I would like to see. I just, as I keep saying it, I just can't see these bullish moves coming in. I can't see it. You know, again, I keep saying it, after the rally there has to be a sell-off, after the sell-off there has to be a recovery, and I'm just not seeing any opportunity here for any longs coming in, so I'm going to hold this short. Hopefully it drops down another little bit and I'll just take a quick profit. I'm not going to wait around because it could reverse. You know, it's 6 minutes to the open now. Yeah, do you know what? Let me just take that. Let me just take that. No. Maybe just a little bit more out of it. Maybe just a little bit more. I was just about to close it there, but I just seen some more bearish movements pushing down through them support levels, so I actually just didn't close it. So hopefully we will see a couple more of them bearish movements. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, come on, a couple of more little push downs through them support levels and I'll take it. I'm not going to wait forever though. 6 minutes. Do you know what? Let's not mess about. Let's just take that 500 odd pounds. Okay, so obviously I've had to edit this video because these trades last, you know, 20 minutes. So I've then, a few minutes later, just before the open, went into the FTSE 100, looked at what was happening here. There's a sell-off a couple of minutes before the open, so I've taken a short position here again, just looking at that momentum. It's not the usual kind of position I would take because that space hadn't been quite created. It's just that it's literally a couple of minutes till the open, and I've just seen this as an opportunity, a little sell-off just before the open, because as soon as this opened, this could go bullish. So that's my logic behind this one. So I'm not going to wait too much longer with this, I don't think.
having said that, look at them fast bearish movements pushing down through them support levels. That gives me confidence to hold on to this for a little bit longer. The speed at which that's pushing down through them support levels and breaching them rejections and coming back and pushing down again. So let's have a little look at this. So a couple of pushes down through them support levels and we'll just take it. Still think you can push down. A minute to the open now, so I would try to close this before the open. There you go, look at that. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Do we take it, do we take it, do we take it, or do I hold a little bit longer? Maybe should have taken that. And that's the open now, I maybe should have taken it. No. Beautiful. This is why my first analysis was, come on, just drop down a little bit longer. Yeah, I'm just going to take that now. I'm going to take that. Not messing about. So literally a couple of minutes later I came back in, taking a long position this time, looking for that recovery. I love to play these reversals. These are, you know, the predominant positions that I take. The other ones were more based on price action, whereas this is based on, you know, the recovery. So again, it's the same thing. How it goes down must go up and vice versa. So I'm expecting some fast bullish movements because there was fast bearish movements when it was selling off. So usually as it goes down, it goes back up the same way and vice versa. So I'm just hold this for a little bit longer. You can see there the blue line is where my entry is. So it was actually a very good entry. Very, very good entry indeed. Very happy with that entry. But if it continues to pull back, I'll just pull the plug on it, but I don't think it will. I'm just gonna hold this for a little bit longer just to see if it rejects them support areas there and continues to push up through on bullish movements. I think that it will, because look at the sell-off. The sell-off was quite a significant sell-off, so we should see a really decent recovery here, and it is. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. That's nice. I'm gonna take that now. Right, let me get a little bit more out of this. Tiny little bit more. Let's see if it pushes up through that top of that candle there. I think that it can. Come on. I think that it can. Look at the speed at which it's going through them bullish moves. I just think they can push up. I think that it can push up. Come on. The rejections are not, they're not hard, tough, fast rejections, are they? They're more subtle. These rejections are a lot more subtle, look, see? Come on. Hold this a little bit longer. Because that's a big candle now that I can hold on. You know what, I'm just going to take that.
There you have it, guys. 2.6k before 8:30 in the morning. What else can I say? I literally have nothing else to say. Nothing else to say apart from, if you haven't already done so, make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to contact me on my Instagram, and that's sambora.00. I have nothing else to say except for 2.6k. 2.6k before 8:30 in the morning. I'm exhausted. An emotional roller coaster. Have a good week. Already have.